Ha! That was a good night's sleep. So it's morning now, and yeah, so I'm going to eat breakfast, and after that, I am going to see what I want to do today. It's a really nice day today, as you can see. Alright, so here is breakfast. And I am going to eat now. And yeah, so that was good. Okay, let's eat the rest of it. Alright, I'll see you guys after breakfast. Oh, look at the view. Wow, it looks really nice from up here. Oh, there's a little dock down there. That's nice. I like that view. Alright, let's go back to the trailer. Okay, it's unhitched. That's what I wanted. And yeah, so I'm just gonna go to the shop and see if I can get supplies, like for hiking and stuff. But if I don't, I will just have to go with it, I guess. I'll just have to go with what I have. Okay, I'm at the store now, and I'm talking to this ranger guy. Let's see what I can buy. Hopefully I can get some stuff. Oh, yeah, I'm not able to get anything except for that roasting stick, and I don't have any marshmallows. I should have brought marshmallows. Why didn't I? Wow, look at the view. It looks so nice from here. Wow, since it's summertime, I am sure the lake is warm, or even hot. I am pretty sure it is. So I am just gonna go swimming. Okay, so it's later in the day. I'm back at the trailer, and I'm eating an apple because I don't have much left. I hope I can last. Oh no, I should have bought some food before I left, but I didn't. Well, that's kind of bad. It's not kind of bad, it's really bad. Oh no. Anyway, as you can see, it's really getting dark now. Okay, so today was really a nice day. I went swimming, I went hiking, sort of, since I kind of got lost. Yeah, I got lost. So everything is basically off except for that light up there, but it's fine, I suppose. Actually, no, it's not. So, good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.